Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in Poland in order to race in the Śląska Liga Rajdowa, RC Rally Championship, in which I'm trying to fight to win it. And the rally is going to be completely on tarmac. Taking a look about the surface, we're going to have some parts where it's quite smooth and some other parts where the tarmac is, let's say, more grippier and a bit more rough. I'm happy to race in a 100% tarmac event because it's cool time to race in such surfaces. You enjoy the speed and the fact that you need to be precise in the corner with the right trajectories. And because of that, I made some changes on my setup. I put shorter dampers. At home I had the big ball aeration dampers from Tamiya, which are amazing. I've shortened them a bit and have this new setup. I'm going to test it today. It's the first time for me to race with this setup with my XRAY XB4, so it's going to be a good test, but I think that it's going to perform well because I had the time to test it a bit near home. Let's take a look about the cars that are going to take part in this event. Here we have already the park firm, so it means that we cannot touch the cars before the first stage. Talking about the chassis, we have of course the XRAY XB4 from me, Patrick, Michał. Then we have a lot of Tamiya XV01, Tamiya XV02. So if you want to start the RC Rally, these are the main chassis that you're going to use. I'm starting this video filming everything in a, let's say, fast way because I arrived a bit late at today's rally and soon you're going to start. So, talking about, there is something cool. There is a rally car, a Citroën C2. I really love this car. I remember it from 2005. So they're going to place it somewhere. Let's enjoy the sound. They're going to place it somewhere. I was saying that they are placing this rally car close to our RC Rally course, so it's going to be nice to drive our models close to a real rally car. By the way, talking about this setup, I changed the dampers, putting some shorter dampers, the big ball aeration dampers. Yes, I know that they are quite long, but I've shortened them, placing inside them some spacers. It's okay, the car is very, very low, but maybe I did a mistake and the rear drop down is too high and we have a too big difference. Other than that, I'm using Pirelli tires. They are a bit worn out, but luckily the tarmac is quite clean today except for some parts. Okay, wow, we need to start. See you later and wish me good luck and leave a like in order to support my channel. Unluckily, I was not able to film the first stage. I had not enough time to set up the camera and everything, but it's going to be fun. This rally is extremely fast. I did some minor mistakes. Touching the tires, they are hot. So guys, I'm here with Patrick.
Hello.
We are having an amazing fight. After 4 stages, he is first with around 4 seconds of advantages. And wow, tell me how you prepare your car for today's rally, and which car are you driving?
Right now I'm using the XRAY T3 chassis converted to rally. My setting is very unusual for rally because, for example, my setting has an impact, for example, for the making the corner on the side. I mean the sliding. Yeah.
Ah, you like to make the car slide?
Yeah, like French rally driver. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm driving like on the line, so for the other driver it's very difficult to drive my car, but for me it's right and correct style of driving. So here, even that we are on the tarmac, it's very slippery, so it's not good, how to say, the grip.
Okay.
So my model is fast because the other driver rolling and so on. Yes, also slide a lot of slides.
But your model is very precise.
Precise, yes.
Yeah, because me and Patrick, we made a video together. I put it here where he shows his car in a complete way. And that day I drove his car, and yes, it's like driving a train.
Yes.
Because it's very precise, and the front points where you put it. So if you're steering in a certain degrees, the car goes in that direction. But from the other side, it's very hard to make it slide.
Yeah, if you make the mistake, for example, in other model you can take the gas pedal, yes,
Yeah.
the throttle, and you make some correction. In my model it's impossible, yes.
Yeah, you
For
cannot
example.
do corrections, and you can like giving gas, you cannot like make
Yeah.
the rear to steer.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, because of that you are going to film the next stage,
Okay.
and everyone will see how your car and you performs, and we are going to have a great fight today.
Okay, yes.
I hope you enjoyed the stage filmed by Patrick, and you notice his driving style extremely precise. Talking about me, I won the previous stage, and currently me and Patrick, we are first and second with almost same time. So it's going to be a tough fight. Talking about my setup, I'm happy, but I will need to decrease the, let's say, drop down on the rear because it's a bit unstable in slow grip conditions. And also I'm going to change the tires, the rear to the front and the front to the rear, in order to have, let's say, a worn out, a more, let's say, homogeneous on the front and the rear. Okay, I'm getting ready for the next stage. I need to change the battery, the position of the tires, and let's see, wish me good luck. Let's follow a bit Patrick on his stage. We can see that he is driving his X-Ray like a Formula 1 car. He is not sliding, he is very precise. So we are going to have a tough fight today. Well, the stage is over and Patrick was 4 seconds faster than me. So congrats to him. It's going to be a tough fight. So guys, 2 stages till the end. Currently Patrick is first with 4 seconds of advantage on me. I'm holding here my XRAY XB4 because I want to show you a comparison between my XRAY XB4 and his XRAY that is based on the platform T3, T4. So I'm going to explain a few differences and let's see who is going to win this rally. Here we have our X-Rays. This is from Patrick. It's based on the T3, T4 platform, and mine is based on the XRAY XB4 platform with some parts from XRAY T3, T4. As you can see, we have a different way where our components are placed. Patrick has the electronics on the left, servo, ESC and engine, and the BAT and the LiPo on the right side. Meanwhile, I have the servo on the top, the LiPo on the left, and the engine on the right. These are 2 completely different models. In general, what we see in our events is that this X-Ray performs better on tarmac, like today, and the one based on the platform X-Ray XB4 performs better off-road. Okay, let's start the 7th stage. I have a disadvantage of 4 seconds on Patrick. Wow, let's see, I think I did a good stage. Patrick is coming back till the end of this stage. And let's check his time. Okay, I won this stage by 1 second and now I have a disadvantage of 3.5 seconds on Patrick. How was your stage?
It was good. It's too high grip. For example, if I have a long strange line, I have to braking faster before the corner because if I'm starting braking at the corner, I will roll.
Okay, so now you are having a lot of traction right now.
Yes.
Okay, so see you on the last stage.
Yeah.
It's going to be a tough one.
Yeah, tough one because we are fighting for the winner in the race. So we will see.
let's start the last stage. I will do my best. I want to win this rally and I want the points for the first place. Looking for the championship.
Ja wiem, że startuję za...
At the moment I won the stage with 12 seconds of advantage on Michał, but I need still to wait for Patrick. Good luck!
Thank you.
The rally is over, second place overall. Patrick was extremely fast and he was driving in a very clean way without doing a lot of mistakes. I'm not happy about this second place because I was hoping for a victory, but maybe it will arrive soon in upcoming events. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe in order to support my channel, and see you next week with a new video. Ciao!